my name is Eric King, and I know you like the new intro. It's getting to you, isn't it? Anyway, today we are going to show you my Sonic toy collection, because, I don't know, these are going really famous on YouTube, so I wanted to be a part of it. I know it's a little late for me, but I don't care. So let's start with my plushies, because they're the biggest. We have a Super Sonic. I'll just put them up here, because they're huge. There's Knuckles. Normal Sonic. I think these are the classics, the originals. Let me put them up there. Sonic there. Dang it. Dang it, Knuckles. You ruined our lives by falling over. You were not supposed to fall over. Anyway, let's just put Knuckles. Let's just put Knuckles down. And Tails, who looks too adorable. I don't like that. A lot of people might do. I don't in particular. Let me put him there. Now let's get to the actual figures. Let's see. Oh, this one's good. The 5-inch Jazzwares Fake Sonic from 2009. A very nice figure. I'm not going to say to recommend it, but yeah. It's me, I'm Mario. Well, this was my episode, wasn't it? Yes, Mario, it was your episode, but no. This was about to be my episode. It's tomorrow, okay? Fine. Forget you all then. I'm gonna play me some Nintendo. Man, what a jerk. Yeah, you're right. Let's get to the others figures though. Oh, sorry for that rude interruption. I didn't know he was coming here. Super Sonic. This is the Super Poser Super Sonic, so I'll just put him back here. And the reason why he's missing an arm was I got this for my 8th birthday. Here's his missing arm. I got him for my 8th birthday, and my mom went to put him in a pose, and then he broke automatically the day I got him. So yeah. Oh yes, Super Poser Shadow. I love this figure. This is my very first Shadow figure. I love it, but I just don't like how they have his legs. They fall over really easily. I'll just put him there. Now this you might not recognize as a Sonic toy, but on one of my trips we saw a Sonic Boom figure, and I'll explain more. But this was where you latch the Sonic from Sonic Boom on, and then it would look like he's running at super speed. And this is what he also came with. The real reason was to get this robotic. There we go. This one you'll recognize. This is Dr. Robotnik's machine to fly around. Again, Sonic Boom, so not the original, but Sonic's not Sonic. Shadow's motorcycle from Sonic All-Stars Racing. And speaking of All-Stars Racing, here's the car of Sonic. There you go. We got the 3-inch, I think, Jazzwares figure. Really nice. He's basically... Oh, dang it. I hate when this happens, don't you? He looked like a clone of the 5-inch Jazzwares figure. He's the one who came with the car, too. That was my very first 3-inch Jazzwares figure. Most of these you're about to see come from Jazzwares. Actually, all of them, I think. Here's the Sonic Boom Knuckles. I don't like Sonic Boom. I just like the robot thing. And I wanted the Knuckles because this is the only Knuckles I can find. And the Dr. Robotnik, which I'm going to get to actually right now. Where? There's the Sonic Boom, Dr. Robotnik, Super Silver. This is the only silver I could find. Really, really nice figure. Compare him to the... Dang it, Silver. Everyone's falling over now. Just because Eggman's mistake. He is truly evil. Okay? I have this box, which I'm picking them out. Let's see. Ow. Also not a Sonic character. Oh, yes. Shadow the Hedgehog. Again, oh, yes. Supersonic. Oh, and triple yes. Ultimate Evil Shadow. You guys won't know this as a Sonic character because I made him up. He used to go on the motorcycle back here. Let me get. He used to go on this motorcycle until his hand broke off. I can find for you. There it is. This is his original hand ripped off. I didn't do anything about it for a couple of days. And then I asked my mom if I could color and customize him. And she said yes. And this was my own Shadow character. And you might wonder who he is in the trailer. I just call him Dark Shadow. The evil Chaos version. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna put him all the way over here because he... See, I told you. I was about to tell you. He barely balances. And, Super Shadow. Again, really nice. I don't know. I just wanted his hair to be up a little more. Don't know why. And, Sonic has one of them. The first Small Jazzwares figure. But here's two other holding plates, so I'll just put them down here. Because no one cares about those. There it is. All 7 Chaos Emeralds. So you probably know I got the Super Silver, Super Sonic, and Super Shadow. All together with the Chaos Emeralds. I think that's the only pack you can get them with Chaos Emeralds. I could be wrong. And the Super Hedgehogs. Again, no, I can be wrong about that. So tell me in the description. Not description, comments section. And, wait a minute. Just putting the little knuckle shadow hand. And that's all my Sonic figures. So, yes, I hope you do enjoy this. There's Knuckles lying on Sonic like a meanie, like he usually is. Hope you enjoy this video, and I just hope you enjoy. What did you do? How do you know this thing is on? Luigi. Wait a minute. Just wait a minute, okay? Luigi. Oh, yes, Mario. Can you check this camera? You probably know how to use it, yes? Probably. I think it's on Mario. It almost fell. Oh, give me it, you dog. Yes, Mario. Have fun with my eye. We will see you next time. And Sonic is dead, hopefully. He's not dead, Marty. Get out of the video! Luigi's so annoying. You hate them too, yes? Yes? Anyway, beat you up. Yes, and you will see my video next. So, let's go, Sonic Boom! Here, I'll take your super form. Woohoo! I'm a Mario #1. Luigi!